Welcome everyone to Appétit. All of the ingredients will be listed down below. And first things first, I am going to start off with preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. What I am doing here is I'm preparing garlic to mince it. Now you can purchase minced garlic at the dollar store, but I choose to do it fresh. I have prepared the Brussel sprouts by washing them, taking off the first layer of the leaf, and then I'm cutting them in half. Then I will go ahead and cut 2 lemons and freshly squeeze them. I will grate Parmesan cheese. My favorite one in this case is from Trader Joe's. I will then mix all of those ingredients together, including seasoning, which is salt and lemon pepper. Then I will add olive oil and some butter. I will then go ahead and apply butter to a 12 by 9 baking pan. I will then go ahead and add the Brussels sprouts and pop into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the Brussels sprouts are baking away, I am going to go ahead and prepare my brown rice. I will start off by adding 5 cups of water to a pan, a teaspoon of butter, and a dollop of ketchup. I will then go ahead and bring the water to a boil, add the brown rice, and allow the rice to cook for 30 minutes. While the brown rice is cooking, my Brussels sprouts are done. Look how beautiful they look. Once the rice is done cooking, you will go ahead and drain the rice from the water. You will then bring the rice back into the pot and then allow to cook for 5 minutes. Then take out the rice and heat up some oil, add a half cup of chopped onion and allow that to brown slightly. You will then go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of canned chipotle sauce. Add some seasoning. You will then add your roasted diced tomatoes and tomato paste. You will go ahead and allow all of those ingredients to simmer for about a minute and then add your brown rice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bon appetit! Or shall I say, Appétit?